पहले नहीं बता सकती थी कि मैं नहीं आ रही हूँ प्रेम में.
Hi everyone, my name is Viren Khanna and today we're going to learn how to make a Bango Nice-Cream. So we call it Bango Nice-Cream because it's banana plus mango, and Nice-Cream because it's cruelty free. So it's really simple. Our friends here today are going to help us out.
Hi, I'm Kabir.
Hi, I'm Gurvandana.
Let's start adding the ingredients. Let's put one banana in there. You can break it up and put it in. So now we'll add some mangoes. Just put all the mangoes inside there. And now we're gonna add maybe 4 or 5 cubes of ice. And put a little bit of water. So I think that one should do. Now close it and start mixing it up. Make sure it doesn't pop out. Put this up. Let's see.
Oh,
Now it's kind of creamy.
but is it nice though?
I'm gonna not drop the ice cubes
So why do we call it nice cream?
because it's cruelty free. Pass me your glass. Try this. It's nice cream, man.
Wow. It's nice.
What does it taste like?
It's nice. It's really nice.
See, it's that simple. Banana, mango, ice and water. We got a Bango Nice-Cream. So try it at home. Let us know how it tastes. Make sure your bananas are ripe, mangoes are ripe, and ice is frozen. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, and don't forget to comment.
Push bell notification button.
Save trees.
Subscribe.
And check out the stuff in the description section below. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
पहले नहीं बता सकती थी कि मैं नहीं आ रही हूँ प्रेम में.